Hi guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that with your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is first you just click on settings here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to face ID and edition here, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to attention our futurists, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.